Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to turn off the recent, so the background apps. So all you have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device like that, and here we've got the recents. You can turn them off manually just by swiping them up like that, but if you've got a lot of apps open, I simply recommend to tap on close. Now we can go back to check, and sometimes your device will keep one of those apps opened for some reason. So then simply turn it off manually. Now we can enter the recents, and here we've got no recent tasks, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.